The Green Program of Study was initiated by the School Boards Association through a grant to Bergen County Technical Schools. Our curriculum director, Rich Panacucci, was able to find some information about it and gravitated towards using our school as a pilot. The Green Program of Study focuses on design, sustainability, and integration into construction. So Rich cultivated a relationship with Carol Terizzi, our principal, to build a team, and the team is made up of Chris Callahan and our technical teacher, Tim Regan, electrical trades. It was able to be introduced on multiple levels. Again, the science behind sustainability, why we want it, why we need it, how to use geothermal, how to use wind, how to use sunlight, solar, every aspect of it, water turbines, anything that you could possibly use that would allow us to gather energy from the actual planet itself. And one of the concepts then to bring it into the actual field of technology, which would have been the building trades. And so Tim basically worked with Chris not only to help him build some of the smaller projects that they did in the science program, but then to scale those up and actually bring them out into construction trades field. We're seeing a solar charger we built for a car. We're seeing the use of wind turbines used for trainers, so the students get the understanding of the full effect of how the wind can actually produce energy. And again, it could be anything from insulation qualities of a building to new types of construction materials to unique ways of heating through geothermal. It's all kind of wrapped into this program together, and it allows the kids to really, again, use a hands-on application of an academic content. And I think that that's one of the keys here is that this is academic and technology melded together through GPOS. At Bergen Tech, one of our goals was to say this was a pilot, but pilots come and go, and sometimes they don't stick to the wall. And for us, this has really been something that we see as an underlying concept for where we educate our students. So looking at sustainability, we're looking at integrating it into other technical areas. We're looking at it in the automotive field, we're looking at it in our computer science field, we're looking at it in our healthcare and medical occupations fields, culinary, anywhere we can actually start to bring sustainability through the building. And due to our technical program, there's a lot of common ground. Again, there's skilled trades, and by teaching the academic levels in the science, the students can now start to see on their own how they might want to integrate technology or a use of a sustainable concept into their actual career field. We saw that this year with Dan Spraviro, who created an electrical outlet box that he was concerned with after finding out that air was coming in around his electrical box at home. Came into Tim Regan and said, I'd like to come up with a concept of insulating a box. And we called a bunch of vendors, and the idea kind of took some root where the vendor said, we don't make anything like that. So again, this was a pilot program, but we see it as being something that we want to carry on through. And again, as Green Program of Study goes, we're committed to it full boat.